Okay. Minu and a robin are freaking having a standoff out here. Where's Minu? Locked in on the birdie. Minu, is that a birdie? Yeah. Alright. And then there's the robin. See, they're having a standoff. Is that a birdie, Minu? Is that a birdie? Huh? Is that a birdie? Is that a birdie? He is over there. There's his little baby right there. That robin is not happy that Minu's in here. And Minu has already ran into the screen once and almost pounced into the window because the bird came right up to the window. Isn't that right, Minu? Huh? Minu? Hey. Did a birdie? Get him. Go get him. Alright, we'll see how this ends.